Okay, so getting into the match here, he got 7 coming off his match against HK, not even taking a break. He could have taken a break, but catching the jump back on the stage with that back air.
Sat back and he gave me the most like dumbass look I've ever gotten in my life.
Oh my god. Yeah, right now Seven's camping. 7 said after that HK match, he's like, I'm camping everybody. Now, right now 7 is like just oppressing Proper off stage. What was he doing? Oh, okay, buddy, man. Chill out. He's angry. HK, like, actually enraged him. No. Yeah, I think that might kill, yeah. Yeah, Wolf back to... Why did character got a kill throw, though? Why does character got a kill throw? Who said, I think Star Wolf from the Star Fox series should have a kill throw?
True.
Yes.
Who said that?
Is this from top 8?
But it's not a kill throw.
No.
All of you stop talking.
It's not a kill throw.
No.
It's not a...
I don't even play the character.
If I back throw you from center stage to 170, you are not going to die.
I might.
Neither is Sora, and everyone can see
Bad
that.
DI.
Watch. No.
You back threw me at 140 and I died.
I know that he actually does need it. It's just annoying to die to it. It's just like, oh man, I gotta prep. Like, here's the reason it feels bad, because you'll be at like 90. He'll keep you at the ledge until you're at 160 and then back throw you. And so it's basically a kill throw that kills at 90 if you think about it.
That feels about as stretchy as that picture you just put on the screen.
Dude, that's a stretch. What do you expect from all stretchy?
Ooh. And that's going to kill with a back air. 7 is enraged by his last match, and he is not taking any prisoners this game.
Was it? Because I couldn't up fast enough to, or jump fast enough to live. What? Because the knockback knocks me down.
So bad.
Dude, that's the, you lose that. Yeah. Was it in losers or winners?
If I'm a spectator, okay. I want to say, wait, oh, never mind, you're not recognized.
Nope. All right, on to Smashville. See a lot of creative faces here. It's nice bread and butter wolf combos there and there. Oh, nice setup from forward smash. Spike, and I guess he tried to read air dodge down.
I have a propergander. Getting into... Getting into game 1, that Wolf got busted. Did 7 win game 1?
Yes,
Okay.
yes he did.
Alright. Oh.
Retaliating right back. Staying very even.
Wait, mess with who about the Incredibles?
Someone talking about Mrs. Incredible?
No, stop. We don't condone Mrs. Incredible thirst. She's married, goddammit.
I'm married, what's your point?
Fair.
My wife would understand. She'd
Ooh.
even agree.
Ooh.
Caught him out with the spike. Won't get a chance to use that ghost sauce.
Yeah. Nah. The key to fighting Terry, kill him before 100. Get a character with kill power and make sure he like dies at 98 or something.
It is the most blue ball feeling, I assure you.
Yes. Right now, 7 doing it. 7's like, I got the lead. You gotta approach. I'm gonna sit here taunt. Oh, but then he jumps in and gets grabbed.
least this guy gave it.
Oh, I think that would have been. Oh, the down tilt, up B. Not quite gonna kill.
Wolf's a little bit heavy.
I was gonna say probably should have up beat out his shield there, but he still got an up B and some extra damage. So who am I? Oh, but the go is here. Oh man.
Missed that 2-frame.
Oh, catching the jump with the. I mean, now this is scary because like he gets like a good combo off, gets a go meter. Like,
Okay. Well, now 7 is in kill.
Wait. Did Wolf? Hold up. Ain't no way I just saw what I just saw. He just.
I was so shocked that I
He just wolf nared through power.